Now that your fuel setup is complete, let's move on to step number 3, lottery setup. In this section, we'll configure your lottery system, scan your tickets, and make sure everything is ready for sales and reconciliation. As you can see, lottery setup is divided into 4 main steps: scan back stock, scan active stock, lottery settings, and lottery reconciliation setup. We'll go through each one step by step. Before scanning any tickets, you need to create a new lottery order whenever you receive stock from your lottery vendor. Click on New Ticket to begin. Here, enter the following details: your order number or delivery tracking number, and the received date, the date you received the stock. Once entered, click Create. This step is important because it creates a record of the incoming stock. All tickets you scan will be linked to this order and added to your inventory. After creating the order, you can now proceed to scan your tickets at the POS. Click Start on Scan Backstock. First, we'll scan your backstock, and the backstock refers to lottery tickets that are not yet active for sale but are available in your inventory. As you scan each ticket, if the system recognizes the barcode, it will automatically add it in. If not, you'll be prompted to enter the ticket details manually. Once all tickets are scanned, click Confirm Order. Make sure you scan the same barcode that will be used at the register. This ensures proper tracking and sales. After confirming, your backstock is now recorded in the system. Now we move on to Scan Active Stock. Click Start on Scan Active Stock. The active stock includes tickets that are currently available for sale at your store. This process is very similar to backstock. The key difference is that these tickets are now live and ready for selling. Once finished, click Confirm Order to complete the setup. Next, click Start on Lottery Settings. Now let's configure your lottery settings. Here you can control how your lottery system behaves. So you enable Update Lottery by Scan to automatically update tickets when scanned. Turn on Auto Settle Lottery to automatically handle settlements. Allow manual sale if needed. Assign the required fields, select your bank account, choose the department, assign your vendor, and apply any applicable tax. Once everything is set, click Save. And for the last one, click Start on Lottery Reconciliation Setup. This step ensures your lottery sales, commissions, and withdrawals are properly tracked. Click Add to create a new setup. Then configure the following: first day, start of your lottery cycle, and the last day, which is the end of your lottery cycle. Withdrawal day, when commissions are withdrawn. For example, in Texas, the cycle typically runs from Sunday to Saturday, and the withdrawal happens based on that schedule. After entering the details, click Add and then Save. In any case, if you do not see your vendor or bank information, simply close and reopen the screen after setting them up. The system will refresh it automatically. And that is it. Your lottery setup is now complete. You're ready to track tickets, inventory, manage sales, and handle reconciliation accurately. I'll catch you guys in our next video.